Disposable pie tins. This baking set comes with 100 individual chicken pot pie tins for cooking and baking small desserts, flans, quiche, and fruit tarts, and chicken pot pies. Multi-purpose. This 5-inch pie tins are ideal to use for at-home use, cooking, restaurants, cafes, small businesses, bistros, and catering, prefect for family gatherings, BBQs, picnics, and potlucks. Superior heat conductivity. The disposable pie tins heat food evenly, withstands temperatures of up to 500 Fahrenheit, safe for use in freezer and oven. High quality. The individual pot pie pans are made from thick gauge, heavy-duty and quality durable aluminum foil. Full curl rims provide sturdy grip for easy handling and serving. The perfect size. The outer top of the small foil pie pans measures 4.9 inch in diameter, top inner measures 3.5 inches in diameter, depth is 1.5 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect size, just what I needed. I teach pre-K, and we make individual apple pies with our students in the fall. This year I went to 13 different stores in my city. No small pie tins were in any of the baking needs aisles anymore. Amazon to the rescue. These tins were exactly the right size, not too small, not too big, and my students happily took their tins, filled with fresh baked apple pie, home to share with their families.